Okay guys, today tutorial is for creating a new virtual machine. The last tutorial I did was the installing the VMware workstation, um, and today we're gonna do this creating your first new virtual machine. Those people are following me from step by step, and they know that uh, I'm starting from very basic and gonna take you guys up to the level where you can choose what you wanna do. You wanna go for a networking, or you gonna go for a Microsoft MCSA side, or you wanna go for Splunk, or you wanna go for security onion side analyzing. So yeah, so today we're gonna talk about this new virtual machine. So here we are, workstation 15.5 Pro. So if you click over here where it says create new virtual machine, um, leave as it is default, typical recommended, and then over here in the browser I got all the ISO files. For these ISO file guys, what you can do is you could go to um, Google or your browser and download these ISO files. These are free open source ISO files, so especially for the workstations you want to install. So today we are installing the Windows workstations. So just go on your browser, type um, ISO file for a Windows 10. There's a couple of there. Um, what I do is, okay guys, so you can go into this website either, which is the isoreaver.com/windows 10 ISO VirtualBox. So you can go here, click the VMware image, and you should be able to download and keep that in the location. Um, and then when we go back to, so keep it in the location. So when we browse it, so when we're doing the installation, so it's a installer disk image file, or in bracket ISO. So you click this browser and go to the file where you download and saved it. And then in my case is this one, window client 64 bit. These are the other, but don't worry about them. I will let you guys know that what this for, and we will do that step by step. So um, so yeah, so you click OK and then click next. And over here, just ignore the product key. I know in real time you will need a product key, but ignore it for now because this is just for the education purposes, for training purposes. If you know in real time scenario, you will require the product key, but for this, just ignore it. Over here, you click the Windows 10 Enterprise, and in full name, put the admin. Just put your name, whatever you wanna call your workstation, and in the password I'm gonna put admin as well. So it's admin. But you can do, it's gonna give you little prompt that you have to enter your product key, but you can do it later on. Just click yes, and you give a name to your machine. So in my case, I'm gonna call it you add 6. So user access device 6. That's what I wanna call. You guys can call what you like to call your machine. So click next, and then over here is the, I'm gonna give it 20 gig, because the workstation itself 20 gig is enough. Um, disk size, I believe. So I'm gonna give it 20. You can give it 30, 40, up to you. Again, that's the, that's gonna use your PC or your laptop memory. So it's, I think 20 is enough. The amount of work we're gonna do, the amount of work we're gonna do, I think 20 is all right. So yeah, click next, and then just check everything you've done. So your name is you at 6, and yeah, click finish, and that's creating disk now. Yeah, so now it's gonna do everything it's supposed to do in the real life. it's gonna do, it's gonna fetch all the files from that ISO pack and run those files in the background and give you a window later on. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm gonna speed up this video because is nothing in there. It's just gonna waiting game. So I'm gonna speed this video and I will slow it down in the normal when it's get back. So at the moment you need to wait till it's there. Alright guys, so now we are back into the main screen now, and it's asking us to enter the password. So we're gonna my password was admin, so whatever your password was when you initially configured it, you're gonna enter that one. And now, yeah, I'm in the virtual computer now. So you can see is exactly look like if you have a Windows 10 installed on your PC. Here we go. There's another Windows 10 into your PC. So is Windows 10 in the Windows 10, if that makes sense. Yeah. So hey guys, yes, so we completed our task. The tutorial is completed. So we have created you have created your first virtual machine. um, if you follow my video, the next video will be making your virtual machine to a domain controller. So we will create another virtual machine and we'll make that domain controller, and then we will join this machine to that domain controller, and then yes, so we'll do that in the next video. So keep following my channel guys, like, subscribe, comment, share. If you have any question, comment me under this video and I will get back to you guys. Okay. Yes, and also the link for that ISO file, it will be in the description, so you don't need to type everything. You just type that, um, just click on that link and you will be directed to the website for the ISO file. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial, which is the making a domain controller. Thank you. Bye.